Uh-oh. I just came up with a new song, guys. This is his single called My Brothers and My Lovers. My lovers and my brothers. My brothers are my lovers. What up, guys? As you guys can see, Cheryl's with the most Paul PLANTU, the thrift guide. I go by a lot of names, but there is one thing that rings true to this day. I don't know. I don't even know what the fuck I'm saying right now. But we got a brand new unboxing for you guys. Before we get into it, I have a second YouTube channel, the Paul PLANTU channel.
Earth is my planet.
Yes, for some reason, anytime I do a gardening video on this channel, people be unsubscribing. So I just decided to move all that content to another channel. There's gonna be multiple videos a week, so whenever you guys aren't catching me on this channel, definitely watch that one. The first video is live on that channel. So please, just stop this shit, bro. Just stop watching and go check it out. All right? For sure. Also, yeah, if you guys do migrate over there, please like the video. I'm trying to blow that ting up and just be percolating in two completely different realms of YouTube. Just like, oh man, dude, I'm doing two things at once. But yes, we have an unboxing from you guys today. Get ready, it's going down. Love ya. Let's get into the first parcel. All right, so this is from the homie Peace On, man. That boy Peace On George, Peace On brand. I rock his hats, I rack his hats. Saddam Hussein status. Bro, what's up with these dictators having mustaches, bruh? Like, some of the most infamous mustaches are coming off fascists.
Oh my God!
And dictators.
Sway.
All right, so this is the man who sent me the custom Mickey hats. I don't have them back here, but he said, hey Paul, love your YouTube videos and pickups. Keep up the good work, PLANTU vids as well. He knew. He said, I saw this 92 vintage Oilers bandana and I thought I had to do a custom for you, so here it is. Oh, H-Town, hold it down.
It's H-Town, Texas, Braeswood, baby.
Oh my God. This is the most beautiful thing I have ever laid my eyes on, bruh. Hey, if my girl's watching this, look. It is what it is. I can't put you on my head as conveniently. Look at this. Oh my God. Houston Oilers 5-panel. Look at that front and center. You got the concussion-proof protocol in place. My guys. Oilers right down the top of the cranial, the middle section of the cranium. Bruh, the skull cap. Oh my God. This thing straight out the box. I'm going camping, papa. Bro, this shit looks hilarious forward. I'm not accustomed to seeing 5 panels on my head. Backwards, my brothers are my lovers. This thing is so fire, dude. Thank you, my man, Peace On brand. You guys go follow him. He be cutting up with the custies. And it's even lined on the interior. The quality is just out the ass. Out the wazoo. And the stitching is so clean. Like, I'm not trying to, perform too much fellatio on my guy, but let's be real. I'm a fan of his work. So I need to show love when love is shown to me in the circle of life. All right. Thank you, homie. Now this other package, this got a little eBay insignia. So there might be some purchases, in the mix. Oh yeah, this is one. And this is gonna be on my website, thriftheavenvintage.com. Link in description. Thank you to everyone who does support essential Nike little pullover. Look at that minuscule check. That's subtle, that's sexy, that's saucy, bro. This marinara color scheme, dude. Throw this on some noodles and have yourself an Italian feast. This is purdy, man. It's purdy, and it even has the zipper pocket, to securely holster narcotics. Hey, this shirt too is on my website, but I think I'm taking it off. You guys didn't cop it. I charged $55 for it because I spent $50 on it, but I'm keeping it now because I look cute in this, dude. Like, I mean, y'all think so? You think I look cute? All right, we got another package right here. This is from Charlotte Kennedy, which is a big shout out if you are just a random eBay seller. And you are, dude. I'm cracking into all these old cops. Look at this crest whitening strip color scheme, dude. This thing is gleaming. Big ol' Nike check. This is that lazy teacher grading system right here. They just, Grey's Anatomy's on. Just gonna check that. I done got me a check. You got the little, look at that little white Nike tag. And then it says Nike architecture on the back. Man, this is fire. It even got little buttons on it. This thing's kind of fancy. So yes, this might be at the pop-up this weekend if it's not on my website. Let's see what else. That's convenient. I'm gonna get into this parcel. What? That's not a word. I'm gonna get into this purple parcel. Twisted my mind and my language. This is another banger of a purchase. It says, "Get out of my face." I thought it said "way." Dude, it's hard to read that because it goes from like one bicep to the other. You have Donald and you got Porky the Pig. Oh, that's not who that is. That's Elmer Fudd. This fool duck hunting, baby. Open season. This thing is crazy. Single stitch on the Fruit of the Loom tag. It's another purchase. Guys, this is just turning into a random ass haul. Whoa! Look at this shirt. Okay, I'm putting these all on live display for you guys at the pop-up, and they're gonna be for sale as well. Look at this. What does that say? It says, "What's your..." It's easy for you guys to read this, but the angle, man. This is like parallel to my nose. It says, "What's your problem?" And it's incorrect grammar because Tweety has a speech impediment. Colorway crazy, content crazy, language crazy, dialect different. All right, let's just keep on moving with the scoops. I think this is actually national protocol. Is you gotta secure these things with another bag inside a bag. So shout out the homie Jacob Starr. Diagonal. Baby.
What the fuck was that?
My brothers are my lovers. He actually sent me this banger of a package, if I am correct. Yep, that's his name. Keep living the star life. Dude, found this in the bins, I do believe. Bro, it says Mr. Fisherman, and my guy has straight tooken a revolver to this blue fish. It has it looking like a nice little piece of obscure colored Swiss cheese. Toltex extra large. Thank you to my boy Jay Will, man. You guys go subscribe, keep living the star life, all of that. Dude, this is beautiful. Shout out RJ as well, and whoever they did get this off of or had a strong arm to get this shirt from in the bins. I really appreciate it. This is like clean screen printing. You guys know, fishes always get you. Hella biatches. And that's just facts. All right, this one has a note. Yes, reading time, and it's lime green. They like knew. They knew it would match your boy. This is on cardstock, expensive. All right, it says, "Paul, your videos are awesome. Your clothes are awesome. You are awesome. Really like the video of the Levi's jacket with the custom Taz, much talent. Please accept this top." Top?
Oh my god, oh my god.
"Please accept this top that I thrifted for you." It screamed thrift guy when I saw it. A shout out would be most appreciated. Depop.com/GreenTownThreads. Thank you and take care, Karina. Hey, look at that sticker. It even matches too. Hello. Are my nails looking good? I think so. Thank you, Karina, in advance for whatever this top is. It's a garment top, all right, guys? Keep your mind out the gutter. Look at that, bruh. It says fashionable jeans. What the hell is a fashionable? Dude, my vocabulary, my diction is just out the wazoo at this point. This is crazy. Thank you. Got a little denim action. Had me, got a little plaid. I appreciate that, man. I'll wear that to my job interview at McDonald's. I'm gonna start applying to random jobs and getting them and just showing you guys what it's like to work at various minimum wage locations. That's a lot. Okay, we got another package from y'all and another note. This is what I want. This is what I like. I love reading time with my YouTube family. All right, let's see what this says right here. It says, "Thank you." Fuck! They got me, bro. Got him. I thought this was actually from one of y'all, but this appears to be another eBay purchase in a nice freezer bag. Okay, they did not have any food substances in here previously, so that is always reassuring. Dude, I be forgetting but I just stay hitting. It matches again with the alien theme. You got my boy Marvin the Martian with the go home sign. Boy has that slime lime green tinted helmet. Got a little skirt on. The blue marble is just chilling in the background. This is awesome, dude. Shout out Shy Glizzy, bruh.
Awesome. I'm so fucking awesome.
Hell yeah. All right, we're gonna do one more. One more for the Dubski. And that is this little cube. Dude, I got hands. I thought I was gonna drop that. This little cube right hither, all right? This is all the way from Chicago, Chirac. This is a Purple Heart veteran of the war in Chirac. Let's see what's going on now. Okay, whoops. Sorry, Trish. Smacked her against the chair. Oh, I'm swole. Okay, this is, oh! Okay, I love, bro, someone has this jersey or any merch, please hit me up. We got the full fit. I have a t-shirt, but I really want the jersey in adult sizes. You have the crazy and frosty Orlando Solar Bears vintage snapback. This is for the personal collection. Look at this. It is a polar bear in the tropics on vacation. Got some Ray-Ban shades on. Got that shtick talk on him. Aquaberry color scheme with the beautiful light shit cardboard brown tan beige color. That's out of this world. That's remarkable. This is an achievement of humanity. My guys, this hat is fire. I got the shirt to match it. Anyone with the jersey, please email me, bruh. Y'all can DM me too. I don't be checking like that though. So please, email me if you guys feel inclined to do so. But yeah, bruh, that concludes today's video. That seems short, bruh, but I've been talking for 13 minutes straight. Again, please check out the PLANTU channel. Link is down below. Also, check out my last video. It's going to be right here. You guys can type in PLANTU. And please, again, if you're not busy and live in Houston, the surrounding areas, Texas, or want to drive all the way from New Mexico, Oklahoma, Louisiana, Arkansas, any of our neighboring states, feel free to drop by Houston at the garage. Again, this Sunday, the 28th, piece by piece pop-up. I will be there with hella merch, custom snapbacks, a little bit of everything. So please show up, check out my second channel, all that. It don't matter either way. I'm just glad you're here. Live the dream, eat that ice cream, and until next time, I'm locked, I'm loaded, and I'm out. Peace.
Killing these songs, leaving them bloody like Parustu. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.